racing back from somewhere. I don't actually know. One sec, I've got the lanyards caught up. So I am somewhere around the Isle of Wight. Let's turn off the engine a minute so you can hear me. So I'm somewhere off the Isle of Wight. It's quite rough now. It's blown up. Sun's lovely, right? Look at that. A lot of boats out here. Let's check Snapchat a minute. Right, so I am here on Guernard Beach, and Guernard Beach is just behind me here. Now it's the first time I'm speaking in a video in a long time. There's a ribber with a 115 Yarmouth 4-stroke on. There's a sailing club there at the beach. I'm desperate for a piss. I'm on 3/4 of a tank, a little bit lower than 3/4 of a tank, right? I'm desperate for a piss, so I'm gonna head back. So here's me racing back. Most purposeful video you're ever gonna see of me doing something, because I've actually got to get back at some point. Guernard to Yarmouth, a little bit of a stretch, but we'll get there. I'm desperate for this. It actually felt a lot longer coming here, so I was going back, forth, back, forth. I'm going straight there, just over half a tank, I'm going to say. Let's do it. So, EX Deluxe, my favourite ski I've ever had. I've had it for 3 years now, and I've done a lot of videos on it. Best ski I think I've ever had, you know, it's nothing that's ever compared to it. It's my one and only 4-stroke, to be fair, but I love it. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen, all the Americans watching me, because apparently you're all American, you bastards. Very large inlet, very large river, a lot of boats down there, very juicy looking boats, very rich looking boats, boats that I do not deal with. A lot of people down there, a lot of dog walkers, and a lot of grasses if you go too fast. Now this person here, that's that truck, has a rib off of the yacht you just saw, and that rib she's driving on her own. back we go. Start this up. And here we go. Okay, right, so now let's check up on our journey again. This feels like a longer drive than I thought it would be actually. And I'm just thinking, fuel. Fuel's not cheap. I don't want to just burn it, you know, stupidly. And also I see it's scratching the side of my ski. Okay, right, I am in the middle of a solo. And holy crap, right, okay, so you can see that, so I'm this blue dot here, Yarmouth's here. I've gone stupidly far, I've been an idiot, and I need to get back, desperately. Still got a long way to go, let's do it. In the distance there's a ferry. The ferry is over there, in line with the sun, you'll see a ferry. I don't know whether the camera can make that out, it's a very far distance away. That's Yarmouth, people. I'm so far away. cool. Oh. Hello.